It's Tuesday, June 11th, 2024. And that guy right there, my observer, the crewman, he's getting married today. Congratulations. Okay, here we go. We got some news. Before we get going here, we got some news. What kind of news we got? Okay, the observer got married. We did that. Danger Drone got a mobile. You know, like the Batmobile. Danger Drone got the Danger Drone mobile. That's right. And the water out in the Gulf was perfect today. We also have radios and talk directly to the captains and tell them our intentions and get to know them because they're our superheroes. They give us gasoline for Jesus Christ. What are you going to do without gas? Think about it. You want to go to work and there's no gas. Why? Because there's no Rusty Moore. Rusty Moore provides gasoline for Marathon gas stations all over Northwest Florida. Think about it. How important is this barge? You don't have a car. You throw your car away. Don't have a car. You throw your car away. Don't have a car. You throw your car away. Tomorrow is the International Bill Fishing Tournament. Danger Drone's going to be flying over $1 million ships tomorrow. Boats, fishing for billfish internationally. Or are they all coming here fishing for them right here down the street? Probably right here in the waters we're looking at, right? Okay! I got LAANC approval to do a flight in restricted Class C airspace at Pensacola International Airport. I'm going to be flying, that's right, restricted airspace tomorrow, International Bill Fishing Tournament. You know what? Rusty Moore, I love you. He was on the radio with me and wished me a good day. He's so cool. I love this captain. What do you think of that dinghy, man? He throws that off to the side and they go partying. I mean, seriously. Wouldn't you? Oh, yeah. And for further news, I probably forgot to tell you, but Danger Drone got a mobile, and it's stored in the Danger Drone. Uh-oh. Oh, what's that all about? What's that scary music all about? Shit! That threw me off. Oh, God, there's somebody working. Look, that looks like a huge place to work. Is that guy, is he in the kitchen there? Or is that in the weight room? Or the jacuzzi? Or is that where you get haircuts? I mean, look how big this ain't a tugboat. Like, when you think of a tugboat pushing boats around in the harbor, big ships, you don't think about something look like this. This thing's bigger than a lot of ships. I mean, look at it. Seriously, it's pushing gasoline. Gasoline marathon. Gasoline marathon. I'm going to sing you a song. Please support this channel. PayPal. Just send me some money, PayPal. Thank you. When you come to see me, think I'm getting lucky. And then you treat me like a puppy dog. In the store, you hold me, you squeeze me, you love me, you want to take me home. And then you realize you can't afford me, so you put me down and back in my cage. Well, I feel like I'm dying, but I'm crying.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. Crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm